So we've just parked up at the Kelpies car park where you can stay overnight. So we've got a tidy little spot, quite happy with that. And we're now walking up to see the Kelpies. How are you feeling, love?
Good morning. Brisk dry, fresh air.
Make the most of it while we can, because rain's supposed to be coming in.
Stunning little canal just to the side of us, so I'm watching the kids because I don't trust them.
Here we are. They are here.
Stay on the path, Oliver.
But this looks really pretty actually. There's like a bicycle track or something running along the left hand side. I don't know if you can see on here, but you can park just down by there for free at the minute. So March, April-ish time to October, it's a £5 a night. Because we're in the winter, it's absolutely free. So we've got a bit of a walk up for the privilege, because the other car park that's closer you can park in, but you can only stay till 8 PM because it's barriered. And I think that's a £5 for the day as well. What should we just do?
Oh, babe! It's a pylon!
So, do you know who did the Kelpies?
I'd imagine a Scotsman.
A guy called Andy Scott. That's the car park that's barriered then. So that's open 8 AM to 8 PM. It's £5. So we can get to the Falkirk Wheel as well, can't we, from here?
I don't know, I don't even know what that is.
Oh, it's 15 minutes away.
So there's a canal that runs right through the middle of the Kelpies, which I didn't know. You got a lock there. They're cool. I have seen some pictures of these in the night, so I really want to have a look at those in the night. So we're only camped up down the road, so you know, come night time we are revisiting. Oh, these things are massive. And Kelpie number 2. They are massive. So they seem to have a problem over there with the pumps of the water. So the water around that Kelpie over there has gone murky. And what's over here? So you got the horse box, Discover Grey's shop. That one's unsigned. You can, I'd imagine this is in season, you can get ice creams and hot drinks, beer. Little toilet block. Is that a shower as well? Maximum one person to use these toilets at a time. She says me how I've done. Ah, so there is actually a shower here as well, which is very handy. Some wood-fired pizza. I'm assuming these are the pumps. And the canal. You can see that's been sat there a while. What a waste. Nice little freshen up on that and get her back out on the canal.
So we've just got back to the van. I'm about to do breakfast. We've got square sausages. I've never cooked these before, so this could be a disaster. I've got bacon. I've also got egg. So I'm going to do sausage and egg baps and bacon and egg baps for the family, because they're all here starving after their walk to the Kelpies. The man butt's down here looking for things to do. I have a funny feeling he's going to make us move on soon.
Depends if we can get somewhere.
Yeah.
Within walking distance and go do something. Happy days. If we can't, then yes, we'll be moving on.
Oh, I want to see the Kelpies lit up. To be fair, I've already made us move off the last pitch early, so. So this is the car park at the Kelpies. Look, all empty. Just us. To be honest with you, we've probably driven everyone away with a noise. We are a loud lot. The kids have been playing games with their dad in the back, and it's a little bit rowdy. But yeah, this is us. Not bad. So just up there, it's about a 5-minute walk along the canal, and that's where the Kelpies are. So now we're going to take the chance, we're going to risk it for a biscuit. We're going to go down to Falkirk Wheel, which is about a 15-minute drive away, and we're going to hope that we can get a parking space and come back here. And then I'll obviously cook some dinner for everyone, and then we'll set off perhaps to Stirling, or, well, we've got to go to Inverness, so we'll probably just stop off along the way, because I think that's about a 3-hour drive. So let's go see Falkirk Wheel. Let's see if we can get back here and have some lunch. We'll see you in a bit. So we've made it to the Falkirk Wheel.
Okay. It's really... Mum, it's really good to see you.
Yeah. There we are. So you can go in to get your tickets. There's a cafe and a gift shop in there.
You see where these two cam looking things are?
Yeah.
Right, so that's just beer and beer, okay? So the boat will come from over here,
yeah.
It'll drive up here, and it parks itself in between these two things, and they shut the gate behind it,
yeah.
Which is like a lock, and you can see there's one on the front just here.
Yeah.
That then does a 180-degree spin, and then that gate opens, obviously down here at sea level, and they can come out.
Yeah, because this is the only one in the world, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this was built from the millennial funding in 2002, so it's replaced a load of locks that's now got housing on it. But it looks like there's one here, so we should go and
I'm hoping one of them is gonna go up it, so
have a look.
You can see it.
But it joins two canals together. It goes up 112 feet. Okay, so I've got some information while we're waiting for this to turn. So the Falkirk Wheel boat lift is an exceptional feature and bit of modern engineering that connects the Forth and Clyde and the Union canals. This unique and elegant mechanical marvel lifts boats at a height of 35 metres to bridge the gap that was originally linked by a flight of 11 locks. So at the end of the 20th century, it was decided to reconnect the two canals with the innovative wheel as an inspiring symbol for the new millennium. So this basically has been here since 2002. It will lift a boat now 112 foot.
And they're turning it just for us.
Are they?
There's not even a boat in it, but they're going to spin it for us, yeah.
Oh, I thought the canal boat was going to go in there.
Oh, no, they're doing it for us.
Oh, that's kind. There we are. What,
cool.
What a privilege to see that, wasn't it?
Cool, yeah. Can we go to the park?
There we are. And they did that just for us.
Oh, bless their hearts. That was really kind, that was.
Clever though, isn't it?
Yeah. I wasn't expecting to see it either.
And
So
you said you can take a canal ride up top and you can actually go on a ride on it.
all right, okay. I don't know how I feel about that.
No, they got a shop here, like a little souvenir shop, I guess.
Dad. Oh,
Yeah, so you happy with that?
Yeah, it was good, that was.
So it's worth getting off our parking spot for that, wasn't it, love?
Yeah, it was really good.
So we're going to head back to the Kelpies now. See if we can pinch our spot back and go and see them in the dark. So that would be nice. So parking here is £3.50, but that's all day. And they do offer boat trips from here as well. So yeah, appreciate the height of that now. It's absolutely huge.
Yes, babe.
Can we go to the park over?
No, it's raining.
It's proper raining now as well.
We can go on the curly slide and it has a roof.
No, Oliver, come on. We've seen,
We've been, we've conquered, we're going.
We got to see it in operation, so you couldn't ask for any more than that, could you?
No.
You know, now it costs quite a bit of money to get that spun, you think, with the electric and that.
Yeah. It took a couple of minutes, didn't it? It wasn't long at all. It was really good.
It's good.
Anyway,
Lovely.
thank you very much for those working at Falkirk Wheel.
For entertaining us.
Very kind.
We're heading back to our Kelpies.
Yeah, need to go and see them in the dark and then we'll be happy.
See them in the lights and yeah. Tomorrow morning we'll be heading off.
Where are we heading tomorrow, love?
We're going to Inverness tomorrow, babe.
So yeah, bit of a trek.
How long is it?
Not a bad park up. We're absolutely lonered. As promised, off to show you the Kelpies in the dark. It's raining heavy, but here we are.
Doing our bit for society. Someone's got to do it. It might as well be us. You watch, we're going to get up there and the lights haven't been switched on yet.
Don't say that now. There we are, guys, lit up like Christmas. You'll be pleased to know the coffee shop, if you do come, is still open. The gift shop shuts at 4 PM. As the man but just found out when he tried to go in. But how are they? Not bad at all.
Look, there's actually pretty good detail in there.
Yeah, they're really nice. I'm wondering if they change colour though.
No.
Or is it because it's Christmas, red and green? How is that for a view?